We got the beautiful sunrise happening over there. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Jacksonville Beach, and we are getting a time lapse of the sunrise. And the sunrise here in Florida is very, very beautiful, but we don't get the sunsets over the ocean because that only sets on the west coast of Florida. But I will say, watching these sunrises and sunsets, it's a very, very beautiful thing. It's one of nature's best things. You know, the only other thing about nature that I do love is like the thunderstorms and the lightning storms. Those are pretty sick. But when it comes to nature and it comes to Florida, nobody does it better than Florida when it comes to the sunrises and sunsets. That's one of nature's best beauties right there. And for me, I definitely think the sunsets and the sunrises are one of the most beautiful things that Florida offers. So we're gonna roll that time lapse right now so you guys can see how awesome the sunrise is in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And just remember, ladies and gentlemen, everything in this video was shot on a Samsung Galaxy S7. So if you guys want to capture some time lapses and capture some cool video, just use your iPhone. Take the iPhone, use the time lapse feature, use the slow motion feature, use the 4K capabilities or 1080p, whatever it is, and you will be able to capture some pretty cool video. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to go pick up a friend. Me and her are going to go to Topgolf, and if you don't know what Topgolf is, it's basically a shooting range for golfers, but they have loud music bumping and they have great food. So I definitely recommend, if you do have a Topgolf in your area, go play it, man. It's like $40 per game. It's expensive, yes, but it's awesome as The only bad thing I hate about going to the beach is you get sand everywhere. It doesn't matter what you're wearing, you get sand everywhere. That's the downfall of this thing we call the ocean. I hate it.